When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service we have given them and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review.
Aaron Curry was timely, professional, and successful in repairing my AC that was not working properly for the last several weeks.
We want you to get the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We are excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us on the number on your screen, and we look forward to doing business with you.